Jammu Links News Top Stories is brought to you by Tasya Herbals alcohol-based hand sanitizer with neem and aloe vera extracts, helping India fight COVID-19. The DNA samples of 3 men who were killed in an alleged fake encounter with the army in Jammu and Kashmir's Shopian district in July have matched with their families from Rajouri. Asked whether the 3 men were indeed labourers as claimed by their families and not involved in militant activities, he said it is a matter of further investigation. On July 18th, the army had claimed 3 terrorists were killed in Amshipura village in the high reaches of South Kashmir's Shopian.
मैचिंग मतलब ही होता है कोई की मैचिंग हुई। आगे का जो आर्मी ने खुद करवाया ऑलरेडी कर चुका था, आप लोग के सामने ऑलरेडी शेयर कर दिया गया लास्ट वीक में। अब पुलिस का जो तफ्तीश का करवाया होगा उसको हम लोग कर रहे थे और उसको आगे बढ़ाएंगे अब।
Two Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists were killed in an overnight encounter with security forces in Anantnag district of Jammu and Kashmir. Based on specific information about the presence of terrorists in Sirhama area in Anantnag district of South Kashmir, security forces launched a cordon and search operation there on Thursday evening. In the exchange of fire this morning, 2 terrorists belonging to LET outfit were killed. Incriminating material including arms and ammunition were recovered from the site of the encounter. The Jammu and Kashmir police on Friday said it has constituted a special investigation team to probe the killing of advocate Babar Qadri, who was shot dead by unidentified gunmen in Srinagar on Thursday. Speaking to reporters at a press conference, Inspector General of Police Kashmir Vijay Kumar said the case was a top priority for the force and an SIT has been formed to probe it. Qadri was shot at by unidentified terrorists at his residence in the Hawal area of the city Thursday evening. He succumbed to the injuries on the way to the hospital.
कैमरा एक लगा हुआ है, उसका फुटेज हम लोग लिए हैं, उसको देख रहे हैं, उससे ट्रैक डाउन करते हैं कि कौन मिलिटेंट इन्वॉल्व है। आज सुबह मैंने जाके मौके का मुआयना किया, उनके घर भी गए, सीन ऑफ रैंक को विजिट किए, एसपी, एसएसपी, एसडीपीओ सारे एसएचओ का मीटिंग लिए और एक एसआईटी बना दिए जिसको हेड कर रहा है एसपी हजरतबल।
Farmer unions and political parties across the country are participating in Bharat Bandh on Friday to protest against the farm bills that were recently passed by the parliament. While Punjab and Haryana will continue to witness the most prominent protest, the Bandh will also see participation from farmer unions in Bengaluru, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha among several other states. Along with the Bharat Bandh, the Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee in Punjab also announced the 3-day rail roko agitation till September 26th to lodge their protest. 2 persons were arrested and a huge quantity of arms, ammunition and cash seized from their possession in Jammu and Kashmir's Kulgam district. Security forces seized a huge quantity of arms, ammunition and cash from a vehicle in Kazigund area of the South Kashmir district during a search. Police have registered a case and investigation has been taken up. Seeking immediate eviction of all illegal occupants of estate bungalows, the activist of National Panthers Party led by Harshdev Singh, chairman JKNPP, and former minister held a protest demonstration outside the office of Deputy Director Estates in Charge Jammu Division at Gandhinagar on Friday and alleged an unholy nexus between the unauthorized occupants and officers of the department. On the birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, senior J&K BJP leaders paid rich tributes to one of its founding father across Jammu and Kashmir in booth-level programs in all the assembly constituencies and districts. Main program in this regard was organized at BJP headquarters Tripura Nagar, Jammu, which was led by J&K BJP President Ravinder Raina. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP National President JP Nadda also addressed the BJP activists from New Delhi.
अभी हम माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को सुन रहे थे। पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय जी का जीवन भारतीय जनता पार्टी के करोड़ों करोड़ कार्यकर्ताओं के लिए एक प्रेरणादायी जीवन है, प्रेरणा का वो स्रोत है।
Union Ministers Shripad Yesso Naik and Dr. Jitendra Singh on Friday launched a post-harvest management center for medicinal plants in Badarwa and 21 Ayush Health and Wellness centers across Jammu and Kashmir. The inauguration was done through a digital event. Work is underway for establishing 194 health and wellness centers in Jammu and Kashmir this year, and the Ministry of Ayush has provided rupees 12.81 crore central grant for this purpose. There is a target of establishing 319 such centers in the Union Territory in the next 3 years.
जो डोडा, उधमपुर, कठुआ का संसदीय क्षेत्र है, इसमें अभूतपूर्व कार्य हुए हैं। अनेकों ऐसी योजनाएं और परियोजनाएं जो राष्ट्रीय स्तर की हैं, अनेकों ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट जिनकी शायद न कल्पना की गई थी, न कहीं जनता से मांग आई थी।
The academic session 2020-21 for the first year students will commence from November 1st as per the latest guidelines by the University Grants Commission, which has directed the educational institutions to complete merit or entrance-based admission process by October 2020. However, in case of delay in the declaration of results of the qualifying examinations, the universities may start the session from November 18th, says the latest guidelines issued by the UGC. India has scaled a historic peak in the fight against COVID-19 for the first time. A record number of nearly 15 lakh COVID tests were conducted in a single day, said the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Friday. This exponential surge in the daily testing capacities strongly demonstrates the determined escalation of the testing infrastructure in the country. The last 1 crore tests were conducted in merely 9 days. States that are testing the highest numbers are also reporting a gradual decline in the positivity rate.